Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat, and as you can see, on the screen. Yeah, people, right now, dancehall artist Baby Sham is in mourning because he just lost his mom. His immense, and he shared it to the world to know. So you know them can send them prayers and all of these things. He captioned the post with this video saying, "The most beautiful human being I know, one done, Mama Jenny. May Jehovah prepare a place for you. I'm going to miss you so much. One done, Mama Jenny, I love you with all my body and soul." You see, my people. So I just wanted to give you that update, because I know most of you is not subscribed to Instagram, so we're just delivering the message on the can, sending the condolences. Now, speaking about, religion in a sense, because I don't know if Jehovah and Christianity is the same thing, but nevertheless, we see Lisa Mercedes taking that dip in the water, and she has just gotten baptized again, and she said, "Thank you, God, for your many blessings. I am nothing without you, nothing lasts forever but salvation. Big up, God. I had to fulfill my promise to God. Rebirth of Lisa, feeling brand new." And hashtag all of this stuff. And from what day, she had got locked up because her man, Lucky British, was slinging them things and getting woman them caught up. You see what I say? And she only get a slap on her wrist, like a 2-year probation or something. Well, him and his wife get like a 15 years apiece. You see it? But the people that miss talking. If she not Muslim again, and I praise Allah, because, one time when she was seeing Vybz Kartel when he was incarcerated, the Muslim community, they come down upon her. You see me, I say, as you know, she is linked to Stylogy, that's her baby daddy, and things. But me just they want giving them update while going for them to go on, you see me. Keeping up with Vybz Kartel and his women them getting baptized, the people them is saying, rich mean man, nah go on with that thing, Yeah, them say Lisa, Vanessa Bling, new song flop, and them she need to link back up with teacher. Forget that hit song. He say, I say, I know she dash with God. Boy, oh boy, for not have no morals again, you see me?
Erosion, somebody get fucked on.
Introducing Vanessa Bling, as stars asleep, feeling young and whatever man say.
Me nah go get whenever dedicated to the man when me love. One man, give me good loving, yeah.
Okay, people, I can understand why the Christian people is coming from Vanessa Bling, because, she portrayed to be innocent all of these times. You see me, I say, and they don't play the fakeness thing. I know she's coming on this big rhythm, keeping up slackness, but a rich man, she want a broke man get F-pound. So that means I shall put a value upon her punani. A monetary value. You see me, I say, and if a man not have funds, him can't have fun with her. These are the things you will typically hear from Cardi B and other people in the dancehall. You see me, I say, I know she gone back to the slackness. You see me? Some things she used to burn out Aishana doing. But nevertheless, people, I think it's a good song, But people them say the first bar was good, but the rest of the song was trash. Una putting at the comment section of ladies, this is your new anthem. Or now stick with the old one man throwing a pum pum, yeah. No time for some serious news, because somebody sent me this story with this lady asking, President Trump for help because she's Jamaican. It's violating her and her youths. You see me, I say, and she's in fear of her life. So let's take a listen to what I'm going for not to go on, because this is happening in New Jersey. You see me?
Here's a shot in the dark. Hi, Ice. My name is Brianne McClin. I have been violently stalked, harassed, and hunted by a Jamaican citizen, not of the United States, for the last almost 8 years. However, recently I've been stalked for 3.5 years by his girlfriend. They have done nothing to stop. I fear for the safety of my son and me. Do you know what a woman has to come to actively reach out to immigration for references or anything that you need, ICE? And Donald Trump, please go down my page and you will see the violent abuse. It's not just only me. It's a plethora of women. And you guys can look this man's record up. He has a gun charge. He dropped my son off, my small son, my little baby, at the house with a box of bullets. Brand new ammunition. He has a gun charge. I have the picture of the bullets if you guys would like to know what kind of caliber of a firearm he's carrying, because he will not carry a firearm. And if you know the Jamaican culture and the community, because of the likeness of what he does, because he's an assassin, for the culture, he's been wreaking havoc on Essex County, Pennsylvania, several other areas for eons. He was wreaking havoc on his country prior to coming here, prior to being married on a K-1 visa. That girl left him. Her name was Chanel. She left him because of the violence as well. There's another lady named Sierra who also left him. She left her apartment, One New Street. You guys can go look it up on the East Orange site. She got up and left. There's hundreds and hundreds of violent complaints of him whooping her. There's another lady named Shelly. Her real name is Denise. She was violently abused. She also has police reports that you can look up. If you look up this particular individual's name, which I'm not going to say here, but you can go down my page and figure it out, or ICE, Immigration, Homeland Security, Donald Trump, you guys can all reach out to me and I will give you that information. We need to put a stop to this. Save my son's life. He didn't deserve this. We all make mistakes, and I didn't know what I was getting into, but now I do, and I fear for my life. I had a restraining order that just was served. It took them 3.5 years to serve it. He has a violent gun charge. He had a magazine over the legal limit of capacity. In my voice notes, you can hear him saying that he will kill me, and he will kill law enforcement as well. There's no limit. Also, his father was deported out of the country. You guys can go look his name up. His name was Devon Wood, for the same violent criminal history. He was deported years ago. He went back to Jamaica and died of AIDS for beating women. He beat women in Florida until the U.S. got rid of him. Violently beat them. I don't know if he unalived a woman or almost unalived her, an attempted murder or something of that nature. ICE, I need your help, please. Hey guys, how are you? ICE, Homeland Security. I would like to help you guys solve a crime in Jamaica. I'm pretty sure that somebody was unalived some years ago, maybe about over 15 years ago now. And in the Montego Bay area, St. Catherine area, and I think that I'm able to help you, give you a little bit of insight. I don't know a lot, but I just know what my baby father told me. And he was on the run in Jamaica. He actively can't even go back to Jamaica. A couple of men told me that as soon as he touches down...
Yes, my people, I'm not telling a lie. I see the pictures and the videos. I mean, we can't show them on YouTube and thing. I have a WhatsApp number, so I guess some way you'll have to contact me to get it. I'm going to start a new group, and then they can add me to phone groups too, and I can share it there as well, you feel me? But me just giving them a quick update while going for not to go, and maybe somebody knows her that's watching this video. He said, I say I can assist her further, he said. Yeah, let's proceed.
During the Freedom Street time, when everybody around go Jamaica, we sit back. I said, what if I go get one phone call? And I wonder. Flyer print and all kind of stuff. I said, all right. I said to myself, I'm not going. The reason, because I say, me represent for Gaza and wave Gaza flag. Every artist know, and everybody know. So, the first show of the boss, with me for the stand up in their crowd like Saddam, Miss James, I'm asking. Right there. Hold on.
You are
right there. Hold on. Right there. Me I gonna lower people for laugh off of me.
Alright, me I gonna show you something.
But this one finish.
You wanna?
It's two things. What me I gonna last one is it's two things I said to myself. Is either me I gonna make people cuss me or laugh off of me. I'd rather you cuss me. You laugh off a clown. So my bill. I still my artist, whole heap of respect same way, I still my G. Nothing can change that.
Okay, people, that was Lava's reason for not going to Vybz Kartel thing. I'm get this and I never get the call. And some people is siding with Lava and some people is not. As you can see, the sender said, I just watched the Lava and Triple thing that you posted and read the comments yet. I don't see nobody mention why Kartel cut off Lava. Shaking my head, remember Dorian, you know what? Kartel, keep a birthday party and Lava got keep party the same day. That's why Carter, I'll follow him and lock him off. Shaking my head, people always forget what them do to hurt people, then play victim, kiss my teeth. Please don't post my name, just sharing this with you. And honestly, I think there was a lot more reasons than that, but I think that was the last straw. Cause you know, Cartel made a lot more celebrities start linking lava, like Nicki Minaj and all of these people. Cause you know, him did a benefit playing Gaza. Let's not act like that. You feel me? Him get 5,000 US one day and many other money pull-ups throughout, you know, that time there when people now have nothing to do. So it was a benefit for him to play, you know what I mean? He said nothing no change, and he's right. But we see other people say them help him where he's at today, like Ugly Don and Worldfish. You see, man, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But as you can see, Vybz Kartel been this lava. If you look at the caption, him say, you know what I mean, he's doing his party on the 7th with Lenny Matic. You see, man, say, and any other nation, imagination and imitation. You see, man, say, I want Gaza nation, and you know, lava have Buzz nation. So, you know, from the man this and them time, them should have just low him. You know what I mean? But it is what it is. You see, man, say, just giving an update while going for not to go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest one. Bless.